In 1896, the electrification of Cuceria led to the emergence of what is today the electricity network of Elektro Ljubljana. This is how 120 years ago the new age of electricity began in Slovenia, sparking off a higher quality of life and extraordinary technological development. Nowadays, electricity is something we take for granted, and its future keeps getting brighter. Our ancestors can be proud because 120 years on, Elektro Ljubljana remains the leading partner in development of the energy sector locally, nationally and internationally. Elektro Ljubljana, with its 5 distribution units, Ljubljana City, Ljubljana Surroundings, Kočevje, Trbovlje and Novo Mesto, supply electricity to consumers located in an area of over 6,166 square kilometers, namely 30% of the total surface area of the Republic of Slovenia. We provide electricity to more than 330,000 consumers and distribute in excess of 35% of all electricity in the country. We operate 28 distribution transformer stations, over 17,500 kilometers of conduits and more than 5,450 transformer stations. Our mission is to satisfy our consumers. It is for their benefit that we are developing the network by using the most advanced technologies to ensure a reliable, safe, high quality and sustainable electricity distribution system. Every day, through regular maintenance and upholding the highest quality standards, we provide the best possible experience in terms of electricity use. Only when people are faced with failures or struck by natural disasters do they usually realize the extent to which electricity has changed their lives and how difficult it is to imagine life without it. At Elektro Ljubljana, even in the most difficult of circumstances, such as during the horrendous ice storm of 2014, we work hard to make sure that life in affected areas returns to normal as soon as possible. Sacrifice, dedication and expertise, which are the traits of Elektro Ljubljana employees, are particularly valuable at such times. An important part of our mission is to disseminate knowledge about electricity among the youngest. For more than 30 years, Pico the electrician has been presenting in a fun way the basics of electricity, the profession of an electrician and efficient energy use at different kindergartens and schools to almost 9,000 children. The old city power plant, Elektro Ljubljana, is one of the rare examples of preserved industrial architecture in Slovenia. Its use represents a unique example of how to conduct business activity under one roof that also allocates a space for art. We are a family-friendly company where our responsibility to our employees does not end with their retirement. An active lifestyle is embodied by our sports society. We're most proud of our competitors in pole climbing who are achieving record-breaking results in this difficult discipline. The vision of Elektro Ljubljana is friendly energy. That is why our infrastructure is frequently a home for the birds, including storks, whose nesting areas we have been looking after for several years. Electricity is the pillar on which today's world stands. It is therefore crucial that we treat it responsibly and simultaneously retain our concern for the environment. We are aware that this is only possible through investments and installation of state-of-the-art technologies. We at Elektro Ljubljana are pioneering the construction of infrastructure for electric vehicle charging units. By developing services and the network of charging stations, we are pursuing the development of e-mobility, which we are convinced is the future of transport. Expertise, innovation, trend-setting, dedication, concern for the environment and others, understanding our employees and consumers, plus the coexistence of humanity and technology for our planet's bright future. This is Elektro Ljubljana.